everyone and welcome to Tokyo, Japan. So we arrived really early, so the first thing we did is we checked into a Japanese capsule hotel, which is basically where they separate the boys and the girls and you go and sleep in a capsule. So the first thing you do is you go into the locker room, you take off your shoes, and they give you like this little kit with pajamas and shower stuff like that. You take a shower, go to the bathroom, you potentially use the bidet if you're feeling up for it, and here's me in my pajamas that they gave me. They give you a key with a number on it, so then you go find your sleeping capsule in a room like this. It was crazy. It looked amazing, kind of like a Black Mirror episode, but yeah, provided is a pillow and a blanket. It actually was extremely comfortable, and I fell asleep really fast. We slept for about 4 hours and then we headed into Tokyo to find our Airbnb. Well, hello and welcome to Tokyo, Japan. You guys, that is our next country. That's where we are now. And it is amazing so far. It's so different kind of from the other Asian countries we've been to. And we're gonna show you around and do some like fun activities and stuff like that. We got a lot of business here, but we're gonna find some time to do some touristy things too. But first, check out our Airbnb tour. First up, bathroom, bidet, buttons. We're gonna have to experiment later with those, see what they're all about. And then this is amazing. It's a shower slash half bath. Here is the kitchen. And in this closet is the washer dryer. And here's my favorite part. It is the combination living room, bedroom, office. And in the video, it may look small to you, but in person, it is much smaller. It really is. Although, by the size of Lucas on our couch in the living room, I think you can gauge that. And there's a balcony out here. Have you figured out how to open it? No. Lucas finally got it open. This is our epic view. Look at it. Street side. Look down there. That is some Tokyo love right there. So we're here in the Tokyo government building because you can come up and observe like the skyline of Tokyo for free. So we were like, gotta go. And someone's playing the piano behind me. I guess like volunteers, whoever can play the piano can just play it, which is cool. Gives you good vibes. So here's the view. Check that out. Tokyo. Now behind me we are at a Shinto Shrine. Shinto is a religion here in Japan. It's similar to Buddhism, but it's different, and we're gonna check it out. It's our first one. We're also filming a music video for Lucas, so this is really cool to walk down. So behind me is the shrine right here, and traditionally right before you go up to the shrine, you're supposed to bow twice, clap twice, and then bow once more. So you bow twice, clap twice, bow. Yep, ring the bell. Okay, so now we are headed to go clubbing, apparently, or something along those lines. I'm sure the rest of this vlog is gonna be absolutely insane. Who knows? We are hanging out in the rain, of course. Check out this umbrella. We are on our way to our second location. You guys saw a couple clips of the first one, really, but we're being taken around by practically local. I mean, 13 years here.
Practically Japanese.
We are continuing the night, and yes, you might notice that there is a sunrise in the distance. And yes, I feel like this is the Tokyo way. So we are up to like 6:30 a.m. right now. It's bright out. Obviously, you guys can tell. We've been at clubs all night. Wow. It's music, but Lucas. What's he doing? We finished the clubbing night. It's still raining. It's the morning. We are trying to make it home. I think it's time to go to sleep, guys. Okay, bye. We are at the Buddhist temple. I'm probably not gonna say it right, Sensoji, maybe? And we're gonna check it out. We're filming the music video still, so I probably won't vlog too much because we'll be working the whole time. And Lucas said this picture is on a lot of sites for like wallpapers and stuff. All right, so you pay 100 yen, which is like $1. Shake this canister, and inside is a paper, and that's your fortune, so good luck to me. Okay, the best fortune. The sun is shining so brightly that you will get the blessing of the heaven. Now Lucas is getting his fortune pulled.
3 dashes, a plus, and 2 dashes.
That should be easy enough to find.
Yeah, that's the one. Oh man.
Moment of truth.
And sign of being fortunate is always on your way.
Good evening. We are headed to Mesto's show. We are meeting up with him and Ben like right now.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's kind of the reason why we stopped by Tokyo, because we wanted to see his show. So that's what we're doing tonight. We are here currently with Ben.
Ben.
Hey.
Backstage in this area that's a private room.
I don't know what it is.
We'll call it that. Anyways, and in front of us is a meet and greet. It's pretty great. I mean, he's doing a great job. He's really killing it. Aww. No, she's crying. She can't even handle it. She can't handle it. Oh my gosh, this is the best. Wow. Oh man. Getting ready. We're going. Here we go. We're going backstage. We're going to the show. We go there, Ben says. Anyways, it was amazing. We were backstage at first, but it was really hot, so we went out to like the actual crowd area, and the show was really cool from there. Now we're trying to walk through Tokyo, but Bella keeps getting stopped by everybody to get pictures, and oh man, it's still happening. But it was so cool though. Like I think like maybe 10 people recognized me and got pictures with me, and Lucas of course. But yeah, they're all yelling back there, but
so many fans, so many fans.
I know.
It's horrible.
They were yelling Lauren. It was weird, but it's cool.
We have to run.
I was telling him how great your show was.
Thank you.
It was amazing.
Like 12.
He always makes a guest appearance. And,
I never watched them.
Wow.
I watch them always.
Yeah, okay. It's getting wild. It's so sick though.